Look at this. Is this a broomfish? Look at this. Is this an eel?
Goodbye.
Look at this. Is this a common fish? Look at this. Is this a red devilfish?
Goodbye.
Look at this. Is this a red devilfish?
Woohoo!
Look at this. Is this a common fish?
Yay!
Look at this. Is this a common fish?
Yeah!
Look at this. Is this a broomfish?
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. Is this a zebra cichlid fish?
Yes!
Look at this. Is this a channel fish?
Goodbye!
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye!
Look at this. Is this a koi fish? Look at this. Is this a broomfish?
Goodbye!
Look at this. Is this a goldfish?
Yeah!
Look at this. Is this a channel fish?
Goodbye!
Look at this. This is a lemon fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. Is this a koi fish?
Yay!
It this a red devilfish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It this a jaguar cichlid fish.
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. It this a comet fish.
Yes!
Look at this. It this a comet fish.
Goodbye!
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye!
Look at this. It this a broom fish. Look at this. It this a promfit fish.
Goodbye!
Look at this. It this a jaguar cichlid fish. Look at this. It this a comet fish.
Goodbye!
Look at this. It this a channel fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It this a comet fish. Look at this. It this a red devilfish.
Yeah!
Look at this. This is tilapia fish.
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. It this a comet fish.
Yes!
Look at this. It this a red devilfish.